Hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. If you didn't celebrate Thanksgiving, I hope you enjoyed people enjoying Thanksgiving. But today I'm gonna show you how to use your leftover turkey. We ain't making no fucking easy sandwiches, baby. We gonna make some turkey enchiladas. Stay tuned. Lots of cheese, love you, Adam. And amazing casserole. Stay tuned. All right, so to our enchiladas, we're gonna use some corn tortillas. I'm gonna make 2 casseroles today, so if you're not gonna make a lot of it for your family, baby, make sure you only do 1 casserole, but I'm gonna show you how to do 2. I have all my family in from Thanksgiving. You're gonna wanna just pre-blanch these tortillas in some oil. Tacos, you'll leave them in there for a while, but literally that's all it takes. You don't wanna get these crunchy because we're making enchiladas, baby, not tacos. It's not Taco Tuesday. It's Thanksgiving, pre-Thanksgiving. I don't know what it's called, but it's something. It's gonna be delicious, that's all I know. So just 1 flip, and out they come. So I'm gonna finish this up. I'll probably do 6 tortillas per layer, and there's gonna be about 4 layers per casserole. So 6 times 4. I didn't go to math class, baby. I'm kind of stupid. I went to culinary school. I'm gonna finish this up. All right, so we got all our tortillas fried, and look at these paper towels, they're soaked in oil. All right, you just ate that big old Thanksgiving dinner, baby. We don't want you dying of a heart attack. We want you dying of some delicious food, baby. So, let these dry out because you don't want greasy enchiladas. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make some amazing chili sauce, and we're using Campbell's cream of chicken, some tomato basil soup, just kidding, some roasted green chili, and a little bit of sour cream. So let's get it. I'll show you how to do that. All right, so enchilada sauce. We're gonna do a little carton of some Denim Daisy sour cream. So if you're gonna do 1 casserole, just do 1 of these big cans and half of that sour cream. But we're gonna do 2 casseroles, so we're gonna do 2 big cans. Get your handy dandy spatula. Don't make a mess while you're at it. And empty these cans, baby. A lot of people do cream of mushroom. I don't like mushroom, so we're gonna do cream of chicken. And this is definitely a side note. This is very New Mexican. So if you do it the traditional Mexican way, they do like tomatillo, which is like green tomatoes. That way is very good. But I was born and raised in New Mexico, baby, so we making it New Mexican style. Learned from my mama. I'm gonna mix this all together. And that's gonna be the bulk of it. But get some roasted chili. That was a lot, but okay. We're gonna make this spicy, baby. Put that all together. Seasoning. We can do some garlic salt. And pepper. No seasoning salt for this. Oh, bruh. And that's why the cameraman just films. But it's okay. Okay, we're gonna cut because that was disgusting. That was so cursed, bro. All right, y'all, it's meat time. So you want to get your meat, all right? I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. We're gonna be PG-13, y'all. It's Thanksgiving time. Get you your leftover turkey. You can put it in a sandwich, like I said, but that's a little boring. So what we're gonna do is put this on a cutting board. And this don't gotta be pretty, y'all. Just literally get your knife and run it through. If you got like drumsticks or wings, enjoy those yourself, y'all. Eat them. But for all the breasts and the dark meat, white meat, whatever it is, chop it up just like this into cubes. And by the way, y'all, we at my my sister's house right now. My house is being occupied. The ovens are going. So we enjoying some time with the family, y'all. So this is what time of year it is. Eating, getting fat, and loving your family. If you don't got family, you got me, y'all. So just like that, roughly chopped it. As long as you can spread it on top of the enchiladas. Our sauce is all done. Check it out. Some pepper in there. Don't worry, the rest of it's in my mouth. Just for the love of y'all. This is what I do for you. But it's time to build, y'all. We're gonna build our casserole, and we getting pretty close. Over here, we got some crock pot beans. Didn't show that, but all we did was put a ham bone, leftover ham bone, some beans, some water, and just let it go on the crock pot. And I promise y'all, it's delicious. You wanna use bacon, you can do bacon. Or if you don't like meat, you can just put water and beans, flavor it. But we're gonna build our casserole, and it's getting close time to eat, baby. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so time to do our casserole. So what you wanna do is get your sauce with a ladle. And just like an enchilada, this is just a New Mexican enchilada. I mean, lasagna. Just wanna make sure it isn't dry on the bottom, because no one likes dry enchiladas, baby. Nobody. And that should work. And we'll get our first layer. It's easy though. You just peel your paper towels. We're gonna do just like that. Isn't that so satisfying, y'all? All right. Sauce again. And after a while, this is gonna get pretty repetitive, but we wanna make sure it's good. All right. Once it's sauce, grab our chicken. Just grab a handful. Sorry, turkey. That's right, it's turkey day. Thank you, Dalton. You added a lot of pepper, but you corrected me. Turkey. Make you sleep, baby. And after that, lots of cheese, because we feeding the whole family today, baby. Cheese it up. And that's how we do the first layer, and it's gonna rinse and repeat at this point. So y'all see a speed up version of this, but we're gonna finish this off. So let's watch it. All right, so this is how a finished casserole should look. I said casserole, because it's money, baby. Aha. Check it out. It is a Mexican lasagna. We're gonna go ahead and build one more. Y'all don't need to see that. We're just gonna rinse and repeat. And if you're just eating this with a normal sized family, this will feed about 8 people, but we have a little bit more than 8 people coming, so we're making 2. So we're gonna put this in an oven for 375. And you know what time it is, y'all. It's time to eat. Like I said, I hope y'all had a happy Thanksgiving. We got our enchiladas. I like an egg on top. You don't like eggs, and I don't like you. We got the whole family here. We'll go ahead and try a bite of this. Cheers, y'all. I personally like turkey enchiladas more than chicken. Try it out, y'all. Beans, rice, and a happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Cheers. All right, so we had a little bit of leftover tortillas. Not a problem. Cut them into triangles. We're making chips, baby. We're gonna let these get nice and crispy. They should look like that. Salt them and enjoy. Quick tip with Dilly, sponsored by Hillshire Farm. Just kidding, I wish.